Hello everyone, welcome back to the Pranayama series from Yoga Please. In the previous video, we had discussed about the nadis and the three important nadis that is used in pranayama. Ida, Pingala, Sushumna, or the Chandra, Surya and the Sushumna nadi. Let us understand how and when to activate them. In moments of stress or high tension, calm yourself by activating the Ida or the Chandra nadi. If you are feeling sleepy, when you have to be alert, like in a class, at work, invite more breath into the Pingala or Surya nadi. We shall now learn the practice. Sit in any comfortable posture, Sukhasana, Ardha Padmasana, Padmasana, or even on a chair if you are not able to sit on the floor. The thumb rule is back to be straight, face relaxed, body relaxed, a gentle smile on the face. Adopt Chin Mudra in the left hand, index finger and thumb joined. Right hand, adopt Nasika or Pranava Mudra. The first two fingers are closed, thumb out and the last two fingers together. Hold the mudra lightly without any force or tension. With the thumb, close the right nostril. Exhale out completely from the left. Inhale from left. Exhale from left. Let us repeat a few rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. Slowly bring the hand down. This is Chandra Abhyas, activating the Chandra Nadi. Now close the left nostril with the last two fingers. Left hand in Chin Mudra. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. And exhale from right. Repeat. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. Inhale. Exhale. Hand down. This is Surya Abhyas, activating the Surya Nadi. Now we shall see a variation in this. Same posture, same mudra. Now close the right nostril with the thumb. Exhale out from the left. Inhale from left. Close the left, open right. Exhale from right. Again close right, open left, inhale from left, close, exhale right. Let us repeat, close right, inhale from left, close left, exhale. Last round, close right, open left, interchange, exhale. Hand down. This is Chandra Bhedan. Inhaling from one nostril and exhaling from the other. Bhedan means piercing or awakening. Same way will be Surya Bhedan. So here we close the left nostril, exhale out from the right, inhale from right, close right, exhale from left, close left, inhale from right, interchange, exhale. Again, close, inhale from right, close, exhale, ensure that your exhalation is longer than inhalation. There should be no force in your breathing and no lifting your head up and moving your body. Ensure that the entire process is very, very comfortable and peaceful. What are the benefits? Why should I do it? Chandrabhyas and Suryabhyas or Chandrabhedan and Suryabhedan pranayam help in opening the right and left nadis and activates them. With regular practice, the flow of breath will become smooth and slow. Therapeutically, it is very useful for nasal allergy and deviated nasal septum. Chandrabhyas is very effective in controlling high BP, reduces body heat, heart-burning problems, calms the brain nerves. It brings under control stress, anxiety, and effective in case of insomnia and for relieving headache. Avoid in cases of asthma, bronchitis, cold, cough, or any respiratory issues. Do not practice if you have low BP or in case the nostrils are blocked. Suryabhyas is beneficial for people with low BP, cleanses the sinus cavity, very effective in weight loss and energizes the digestive system. Do not practice if you have blocked nostril, hypertension, heart problem, hyperthyroid, anxiety, anger, epilepsy, peptic ulcer, etc. Now that we have activated both the nadis, we shall proceed towards Anulom Vilom or Nadi Shodhan Pranayam in our next video. Thank you for watching this video. We will be coming up with new videos on pranayam practices every Thursday 8 a.m. Learn them, do it regularly, and please pour in your suggestions, feedback in the comment section below. And if you wish to start your yoga journey, explore the range of personalized yoga classes on our platform Yoga Please. For more details, click on to yogaplease.org.